Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Sarab Chu Conservation Reserve. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Himachal Pradesh has declared the Sarab Chu Conservation Reserve as the largest protected area in India, covering 1585 square kilometers in the remote Spiti Valley. The reserve is home to a high density of snow leopards and plays a crucial role in preserving the biodiversity of the region. The reserve has been notified under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 on May 7, 2025, making it the 5th conservation reserve in Himachal Pradesh.
Before moving further, an important announcement. The offline batch of the IASGS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, has started at Drishti IAS, Noida. Admissions are now open for both the English medium and Hindi medium batches. For more details, contact 87501-87501.
Now let's discuss key features of Sarab Chu Conservation Reserve. Geographical importance. Located in the cold and remote Spiti Valley, the reserve spans a vast area and is bordered by Ladakh to the north, Kibber Wildlife Sanctuary to the east, Chandratal Wildlife Sanctuary to the west, and Kabjima Nala to the south. Wildlife habitat. Sarab Chu is a critical habitat for the snow leopard, often referred to as the ghost of the mountains. The region is also home to other species like the Tibetan wolf, Himalayan ibex, and wild ass, as well as rare birds such as the Tibetan raven or rose finch. Ecological significance. The reserve serves as an important wildlife corridor connecting the Kibber and Chandratal sanctuaries, enhancing biodiversity and ecosystem health. Now let's talk about Conservation Reserve. Conservation Reserve is a protected area category in India established on government-owned land to conserve habitats and wildlife. These reserves act as corridors or buffer zones between national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, or other protected regions, facilitating the movement of species and genetic exchange. Conservation reserves are legally recognized under the Wildlife Protection Amendment Act 2002, which amended the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Examples of conservation reserves in India include Chari Dhand Conservation Reserve, Gujarat, Jaimangali Black Buck Conservation Reserve, Karnataka, and Beas River Conservation Reserve, Punjab. It's time to test your knowledge, and the question is, where is the Sarab Chu Conservation Reserve located? Rajasthan, Spiti Valley, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, or Jammu and Kashmir? Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.